everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of maritime cadets and the rigorous training process. If you ever wanted to become a seafarer someday, this vlog is for you.
Becoming a maritime cadet is no easy task. It involves intense physical and academic training. Ang mga kadete ay masidhing naghahanda upang sila ay masanay sa mga tungkulin na kanilang gagawin sa barko sa pagsapit ng araw. Bawat kadete ay sumasailalim sa mausisang talakayan sa bawat parte ng isang totoong barko. Mga kadete rin ay binibigyan ng iba't ibang sitwasyon na kung saan sila ay mag-aanalitika at gawan ng paraan ang isang problema. Inoobserbahan at tinatalakay din nila ang mga makinaryang nakapaloob sa isang tunay na barko.
The academic side of the training cover a wide range of subjects, from navigation to ship, technology, maritime law, and safety procedures. Cadet spends hours in the classroom gaining the theoretical knowledge they need.
Ngunit hindi lamang ito teorya, kundi nararanasan ng bawat kadete ang paggamit ng simulator upang madama nila ang tunay na karanasan sa kanilang
Physical fitness is a crucial. Cadets undergo regular physical training to ensure their fitness to handle demanding tasks on board ship.
Disiplina at pagkakaisa ang susi sa industriyang ito, kaya kailangang matuto ang mga kadete na magtulungan at sumunod sa mga batas.
The journey to become a maritime cadet is challenging, but it is also rewarding. The skills and experiences gained here not only to prepare cadets for a career at sea, but also for life. So that is for today's vlog. If you want to learn more about maritime industry, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, fair winds and following seas. Thank you for watching.